All right, guys, we are back on the Camaro. We've gotten quite a bit done. I haven't had really much time for filming. We've been busy. So final coat on the engine compartment. That's looking really sweet now. Everything is nice and clean, just the way we like it. Inside, they got the roll cage completely painted. So everything is painted all the way to the back. All been refreshed, cleaned out. The tubs are all painted, and all the flat black in the back has been painted. So it's looking really good. It's coming along pretty good. So we're getting it ready, getting the job done. Not bad. A little test sample right here to see what's under there, and then here's the other side. It's kind of dark in there, but you get the idea. Gonna work on this dash, so that's all gonna get repaired and replaced. We gotta do a little work on the floor too. So I've been working on getting the firewall ready. So we got some parts for that. Let me show you. All right, so lighting's a little weird here, I know, but here's our new firewall. So it's aluminum, diamond plate, lightweight, but only has exactly what it needs in it for holes. So everything here is either gonna get filled, and when I'm done, there won't be any unnecessary holes in the firewall. That's number one. All pre-drilled for the rivets. So now what I gotta do is, this is for the steering column, so we're gonna put 4 screws in there. This is gonna get 4 holes for rivets, and this is also gonna get 4 holes for rivets. These are covers, and you'll see when I put it in. This is slotted behind there. It's upside down right now, so we're looking at the bottom of it. But so let's get going. We're gonna drill some holes. All right, here we go. All right, so this has pretty much got everything it needs. All the holes are drilled, and this is got to get cut in half right here. That's one of the last things to do because steering column comes through here. Great, the gas pedals are there, but I think we're ready to put this in. So let's go see how that works out. All right, here we go. Okay guys, that is now officially in. Everything's riveted. You can see it came out pretty nice. Does exactly what we need. We'll get some compartment seals in these other holes. Master cylinder goes in there. That's for the gas pedal. That's where the steering column comes out. So we're riveted all the way around, and it's in. Next mission, we're gonna make a piece that bolts in here with some screws, I should say, so that we can remove it if we want to. So we're gonna cut that like so and lay it right down in there. The new hood is gonna come in and lay in like this. So we're gonna rough cut that. We may wait until the body panels come in to make sure everything's gonna fit right, but pretty sure it will. So there we go, that part's done. We are now, let's see, we're going off to another shop. So we're gonna go visit my friend Eli at Traditional Speed and Custom. So let's go there. Okay, hey guys, all of a sudden we are here at my friend shop Eli's. And so this is where today's video is gonna pick up. I'm here with Robin and Brittany and Tristan, and we're here at Traditional Speed and Custom. We're having a little party today. So today's open house for Eli, and I thought I'd show you guys some of the cars he's got here. A Chrysler wagon, really cool car. Okay guys, so check this out. This is a really short vintage rail car that my friend Eli's building for a big race up in Maine. Flathead Ford, and it's just like super short, so I can't imagine what this thing's gonna be like. We're having a good time here at the shop. A bunch of other cars here, some other Fords right there, and so now let's take a walk upstairs and check out the cars up there. Okay, here we go. We're walking out.
I know what it is.
Coming through.
It's got the bedsides on it, the fans in the back.
I know what it is. I watched him. He's out of like.
There goes another truck.
Where's the cowboy at?
Yeah.
He was on the page.
Another one in here. This is the Buddy Him Hot Rods, a really famous hot rod. You'll probably see more of that at some point. But let's go upstairs. Okay, so check it out. There we go.
It runs good.
It's a little dark in here. I don't know what you can see and what you can't, but all kinds of great stuff. So, again, a little bit dark, but check it out. So really kind of cool. Station wagons, pickup trucks, Model Ts, Model As. It's way too dark in here, but some cool signs. Stoplights. So what a great little collection he's got.